Once upon a time there was a teacher. One day he was teaching in the classroom. He wrote down the table of 9 on whiteboard. 9 rows were correct, but he made a mistake in one line. When he looked back on the students, he saw that students were laughing on his mistake. He remained silent for a while and then spoke to them. "Look, boys, after your school, when you will go outside the world, you will face this same thing. People will not look at your all correct things. They always will focus on your one mistake. They will ignore your 9 good deeds, just like this, but they will bother the one bad thing you do. So be careful. If you want to have a successful, happy life, never care about the people. Focus on your good things and spend a happy life. Also stay away from negative people." Please like this video. Share this video with the world.